Zanendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly oyenganza kwethu ake ngikusho lokho. Free of charge. Sisemzabalazweni laba fethu. Azidlali la semzabalazweni. Emzabalazweni you will get two sets of people or two types of people. There are people who are here to delay the true liberation of a black person. And there are people who are here to fight and make sure that there is a liberation of a black person. And in most cases, it happens with those who are here to delay the true liberation of a black person. They always brandish themselves as the true leaders, as the ones that want change, but their actions contradicts what they say they stand for. So we always find that difficulty, and you can go anywhere. But now the sad part is that the MK party is the target number one, because MK party has got this ideology and has taken this stance that it wants to change the status quo, and the establishment is not happy, and Stellenbosch is not happy. MK party wants a total overhaul of the economy. We want this constitution to be redone so that it favors the natives of this country, not foreigners, not settlers. So that is where the problem is. That's why you see the MK party is targeted like this. So now we are here, guys. If you are leaving this party and you say you are leaving because so and so is standing in your way, so and so, and then the MK party, it means the MK party does not share the values that we thought it shares. The MK party does not project itself as a party or as a vehicle that is here to liberate black people because so and so is doing like this. That person is doing what they are sent to do. What we see our president in this country doing is the same as that. But it does not mean that you must run away. Sisemzabalazweni la, hlala phansi siyalwa. Hlala phansi siyalwa. So bafethu ngifuna niqonde lokho. Niyeke lento ukuthi nizosuka la niyele nisuke la niyele niyoze nifike ephi. Ngoba njengoba sila sishilo sathi ikhale lokugcina leli so lwakunqamuka izandla mangabe kumele kunqamuka izandla. These people, they told us ukuthi lento kababa uNcamalala angeke izilunge vele, so abahambisani nayo because lento akafuna ukuyenza ayikazi yenziwa anyway. Wonke ama countries lawa qhuma nje i-capitalism because it favors them. That's why they're saying that. Wena mangathiwa khulunywa ngento ye-capitalism, where do you benefit when? Except being a slave. Where do you benefit? You don't benefit in any. There's no money that is coming from government because of the companies that are trading in this country, or because of these mines, because of these farms, or whatever the case may be. So this is a stipend or whatever that is paid to every South African that is of origin here in South Africa. So you are not benefiting in anything. So you are told this thing has failed in other countries. You've never tried it here. How do you know what it's gonna fail? You do a study outside, then you come and tell us about the study that you did outside. So we want that change. Because even in those countries where they say it failed, they sabotaged it. Just like they did during the time or the tenure of President Jacob Zuma. They told us President Zuma is corrupt. They told us all these sort of things. But not even a shred of evidence was presented. President Zuma was taken to Escort prison in 2021 without any trial. Even if you can check, there is no court that found him guilty. except the Constitutional Court that sent him there. We've never seen that before. Because they have failed. They had failed to find anything that truly implicates President Zuma. And there are people who will come here and say nonsense. And when you tell them, please direct me to where I can find such details, or any court that has found President Zuma of any corruption, they will never. They will direct you to an article by a Stellenbosch media, or by Thuli Madonsela, or whoever that is working for the Stellenbosch mafias. That's all they will do. They have nothing, nada. But they sabotaged President Zuma, saying he's corrupt without any evidence, so that people will understand when he's removed. Just like they did in 2016, Save SA, all these political parties and other organizations from the very same Stellenbosch that are funded there. They all came together to remove President Zuma. So that's how they work. So I'm saying to you, there are people who are here in this party to delay change, and you will find them everywhere you go. So if you are here surely to fight, then you don't need to leave this party. Hlala phansi. Sisempila. That's why I said in my previous video ukuthi labantu ku2029 akumelanga ufike besela eqinjini ngoba bazosimosha, kumele labantu siba remove, even if it means remove them permanently, because we always hear of the same names. Angihlohli impila. Kodwa nje that one is eminent. Injalo indaba.